Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of sulfur pentabromide. It has a chemical formula of SBr₅, and for drawing its Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons it has. We have one sulfur atom having 6 valence electrons, 5 bromine atoms having 7 valence electrons, and that gives us a total of 41. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place sulfur in the center and arrange 5 bromine atoms around it. Then we will place electron pair in between each atom for bond formation. As you can see, each bromine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete octet, so let us go ahead and assign 6 electrons to each bromine atom. This way, we have used all our valence electrons and every atom has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.